Solution of TikTok live access is needed to go live as a guest. So, if you are facing this issue, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, open your TikTok application and hit on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the top right, you will see 3 lines. Hit on that and go to the setting and privacy and scroll down to the last. There you will see report a problem. Hit on that. From there, scroll down and there you will see an option of live. Hit on that and then select hosting live. Now from here, choose other hosting live issues at the last and then is your problem solved? Hit on no and click on the need more help. Then this chatting section will be opened. You just have to type your issue and send it to the TikTok team and they will help you out within the 24 hours. In this way, you can solve your issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.